Hello, friends. A new style of making coffee. This is our coffee making machine. Here we have put milk and stevia, sugar free stevia. Yeah. Now it has been locked and the start button given.
So now it pod. The pod looks like
There is a pod inside.
the
It
pod
looks
looks
like
like
this.
and then it rotates at 7,000 RPM. There are 20 pincers which go in, which rotate coffee at 7,000 RPM, and it extract coffee. This is a new style of making coffee. It has a similar or even better taste than an espresso extraction, and this is for the Nespresso machine, Nespresso Next.
And name of this flavor of the coffee is?
This is Ice Forte. This is summertime edition, and this machine actually reads the barcode. So it reads the barcode. You can give it any sort of a capsule, different capsule, and it selects the best combination, the best settings based on the barcode, and that's why it gets the best taste of coffee extracted.
Wow. So this is very rare and unique formulation.
You get a lot of different of these.
Oh wow, there are so many varieties available.
This is espresso blend. These are this is 230 ml, this is 40 ml, this is 150 ml. So you have Costa Rica, Fortada, Bianco, Legro, Double Espresso, Chiaro, Intenso, Stormio, Melosio. My favorite is Melosio. You have Colombia, and then these are all espressos. So these are all espressos, so only 40 ml. This is what the final output looks like.
This is the final outcome. Now my coffee is ready and definitely it is very strong.
And let's pop out the pod now.
Now the pod is to be popped out.
And the pod goes in and it automatically clears.
Wow, there is an automatic system to clear out the pod as well. And here we go. Bye.
Okay, so now we have put some half and half. We are going to take a Starbucks pod. This one is Colombia flavor. We have three flavors by Starbucks actually. We have Colombia, we have the Spike Place, and there's also a Venturo. Okay, whatever. This one is Colombia flavor. It basically has toasted walnut and herbs notes. Now, what this pod also has are barcode etchings here. These barcode, they tell the machine at what heat, at what speed, and at what settings it has to extract the coffee. Now we will lock it in place and start the brew process. What happens is 20 pincers come and they latch on to this pod, and then they rotate it at 7,000 RPM, and then warm or hot, almost boiling, a little bit less than boiling, warm water is actually forced through the pods. Now that the extraction is done, we will unlock it and pull it out, and it will automatically remove the pod for easy cleanup. This is the water reservoir. You can refill it with water whenever it comes to about this level, and then coffee is done. The pods are collected on this side, and this also makes it for an easy cleanup. You can send this off for to a special recycling facility which will remove the aluminium and the coffee grounds. Coffee grounds are composted, aluminium is recycled.
કઈ ફ્લેવર છે?
Starbucks Colombia.
ઓકે.
दूध नाखो तो बाहर ही नाखो.